Hello, we're looking at Unit 3 on finance. You have required reading for finance. You have the finance overview videos, example videos, a finance questions forum. You have Unit Plan 3, which is due now tomorrow, April 21st. On the 26th, you have buying a house versus renting a house. That is just a discussion post. For that post, you are in a group with one other person, but it's pretty straightforward. If you post first, you just post 5 advantages to home ownership over renting. And if you post second, just do 5 advantages to renting over home ownership. Now, if you end up that you post first and then no one else ever posts, that's fine. These groups were set up at the beginning of the class, and it's possible you're in a group that no one else is in. But the nice thing is your points are only coming from your post. So if you post first, just do the home ownership over renting. If you're in a group where someone's already posted, just post renting over home ownership. It's really straightforward. Okay. The other things that you have, May the 5th, well, all of these say May the 3rd, and the reason for that is it's not very easy to do late assignments in this homework system, so I'm adding the 2-day grace period in on all of these already, but they're really due May the 3rd, and then this has the May grace period calculated in for the exercises, skill quiz, and written assignment for finance. And then there's a project part 3, which is to do a budget. And that, once again, follow the project instructions. This part should be a spreadsheet or a document, some combination of those. Basically, what you're going to be looking for on this finance part is just making a budget for your trip. And I have some questions on here that you can answer, and then to do that, and then along with question 6, what if you had to drastically reduce your trip's budget, come up with some things you could do and calculate how much that would save you. Again, all of that goes in the project repository. If you redo a part from before, which is still a possibility, I have not gotten to see these project part 2s turned in yet. I'll be looking at those hopefully this week. But it's if you need to redo one of those parts, you can do that also. And just let me know. And then the end of the course is coming. May the 10th is the last thing. There's a presentation and reflection to do. I might as well go ahead and talk about that now. So again, from the project instructions, there's a presentation. You can do this in any of these various slide producing websites or programs that you want. You could also do a screencast. I'll give you 5 extra points if you do some kind of screencast or video. It's up to you. You're not trying to cover everything that you did, but talking for close to 10 minutes or about 10 slides, 6 to 10 slides of stuff that's actually there, maybe extra slides that have photos or videos and things. And you can see how the grading is broken down into having enough material, visually interesting, informative with stats and numbers and things from your work that you did. You don't want to put all of it on there, but some interesting things that you found. And then a link or upload in the project repository. And then the last part is this reflection on A, a little bit the class, and B, the project. And those you can just answer directly in the repository forum. Just type the answers over in there once you've turned everything else in. The last thing that you'll find in the course is a link to a SurveyMonkey that is a course eval, and a final kind of just a fun little freebie discussion post. So, all right, I hope this finds everyone well, and hopefully you're wrapping up the stats part of the course and moving on to finance. Thanks.